Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're a gadget enthusiast like me, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the top 9 coolest gadgets on Amazon that are totally worth buying. Whether you're looking to upgrade your tech game or just want to add a bit of flair to your daily routine, these gadgets are bound to impress. Let's get into it. 9. Loot Gear SK03 LED Flashlight. The Loot Gear SK03 LED Flashlight is a versatile and reliable lighting tool designed for a wide range of applications. Featuring a high-performance LED bulb, this flashlight delivers a powerful beam with impressive brightness and clarity, making it ideal for both professional and recreational use. The SK03 is built with durable, weather-resistant materials, ensuring it can withstand challenging conditions and rough handling. Its compact and ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, while the adjustable focus allows users to switch between a wide floodlight and a focus beam effortlessly. Additionally, the SK03 includes multiple lighting modes, including a strobe function for emergency situations. With its long-lasting battery life and robust construction, the Loot Gear SK03 LED flashlight is a dependable choice for anyone in need of reliable illumination in any environment. 8. XP Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen Drawing Tablet is a top-tier digital art tool that caters to both amateur and professional artists. Known for its precision and responsiveness, this tablet offers a seamless drawing experience with its high-resolution pen pressure sensitivity and customizable shortcut keys. The tablet's sleek design includes a large, vibrant screen that displays rich colors and sharp details, enhancing the creative process. Its compatibility with various software programs and operating systems ensures that artists can integrate it smoothly into their existing workflow. Additionally, the XP Pen Drawing Tablet features ergonomic design elements such as a comfortable stylus and an adjustable stand, promoting long hours of productive work without strain. With its reliable performance and user-friendly features, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their digital art endeavors. 7. Insta360 Action Camera. The Insta360 Action Camera is a cutting-edge device designed for capturing immersive, high-definition footage in the most dynamic and extreme conditions. Known for its advanced 360-degree video capabilities, this camera allows users to shoot and later reframe their videos from any angle, offering unparalleled flexibility in editing and storytelling. Its robust build is engineered to withstand shocks, water, and dust, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and action sports. The camera features intuitive controls, a range of shooting modes, and stabilization technology that ensures smooth, professional-quality footage even during intense movements. With its compact size and wireless connectivity, the Insta360 Action Camera integrates seamlessly with mobile devices for easy sharing and editing. It's an excellent choice for adventurers and creators looking to capture every moment in stunning detail. 6. Chargeek 170. The Chargeek 170 is a state-of-the-art power bank designed to meet the needs of modern tech users who demand both style and functionality. With a sleek, compact design, the Chargeek 170 boasts a high-capacity battery that provides substantial power to charge multiple devices on the go. Its standout feature is the advanced LED display, which offers real-time information on battery levels and charging status, making it easy to monitor power usage. The power bank supports fast charging technology, ensuring that your devices are replenished quickly and efficiently. Built with durable materials and equipped with multiple safety features, the Chargeek 170 ensures reliable performance and protection for your devices. Whether you're traveling, working, or simply on the move, this power bank is a dependable and stylish solution for your charging needs. 5. Phone Rig Vlogging Kit. The Phone Rig Vlogging Kit is an essential tool for content creators seeking to elevate their smartphone filming capabilities. This comprehensive kit typically includes a robust phone mount, adjustable tripod, and various accessories such as LED lights and external microphones. Designed to enhance stability and versatility, the phone mount securely holds your smartphone while the tripod allows for smooth, steady shots. The included LED lights provide optimal illumination, ensuring your footage is well lit even in low light conditions. The external microphone improves audio quality, capturing clear and professional sound for your vlogs. Additionally, many kits come with customizable accessories like cold shoe mounts and additional grips, making it easier to achieve the perfect setup for your vlogging needs. 4. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a compact and efficient tool designed for quickly and easily inflating tires and other inflatables. Ideal for both automotive and recreational use, this device typically features a powerful motor and a high-pressure gauge to ensure precise inflation. Its user-friendly design includes an easy-to-read digital display, allowing for accurate setting of desired pressure levels and monitoring of current tire pressure. The portable compressor often comes with multiple nozzles and attachments, making it versatile enough to handle various inflation tasks, from car tires to sports equipment and air mattresses. 3. Rokit Air Joy Pack. The Rokit Air Joy Pack is a cutting-edge augmented reality accessory designed to enhance your immersive experiences with Rokit's AR devices. This versatile pack typically includes a pair of AR glasses and a set of interactive controllers, which work together to create a dynamic and engaging AR environment. The glasses offer high-resolution displays and advanced optics for a clear, vibrant visual experience, while the controllers provide intuitive, responsive input for interacting with virtual objects and environments. The Joy Pack often features ergonomic design elements to ensure comfort during extended use, along with adjustable settings to customize the AR experience to your preferences. Ideal for gaming, education, and interactive applications, the Rokit Air Joy Pack is engineered to bring augmented reality experiences to life with precision and ease, making it a valuable addition for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. 2. Pocket Camera SQ12. The Pocket Camera SQ12 is a compact and versatile camera designed for capturing high-quality images and video in a portable form factor. This small, lightweight device is ideal for on-the-go photography and video recording, featuring a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to operate. Despite its size, the SQ12 typically offers impressive performance with high-resolution image sensors and various shooting modes. Its built-in features often include a digital zoom. 1. Keysum Lunar 01. The Keysum Lunar 01 is an innovative smart lock designed to enhance security and convenience for modern homes. Combining advanced technology with sleek design, this smart lock features a high-resolution fingerprint scanner that allows for quick, keyless entry while ensuring robust security. The Lunar 01 supports multiple unlocking methods, including remote access via a smartphone app, which enables users to manage access permissions and monitor lock activity from anywhere. Its durable, weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in various conditions, while the sleek, minimalist design complements a wide range of home aesthetics. Installation is straightforward, fitting most standard door setups without the need for extensive modifications. Additionally, the Lunar 01 often includes a backup key option for traditional access, providing an extra layer of convenience. With its combination of modern technology and user-friendly features, the Keysum Lunar 01 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home security system. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets from Amazon that are worth buying. Each of these gadgets offers something unique, so you're sure to find something that fits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.